Alright, so we're looking at this V-shaped graph, and all we're doing, I'm going to explain this a different way. All we're doing is finding x and y value pairs that go together. Using this picture. It's just using function notation instead of an xy table of values. So it might be easier to see on an xy table of values. So for part A, it's saying that when x is -4, it's asking for the corresponding y value, which would be +2. Just like you wrote, when x is -4, y is a +2. Same thing here, when x is -2, y is +1. So that's right, and that's right. On part C, it's asking you to look at a particular y value. When the y value is 1, what are the two x values? So we already have one of those. There's where the y value is 1. There's another one when the y value is 1, and that's when x is +2. So those two answers are correct, -2 and +2. Now let me pull up another picture for example 6. Just a second here. Let me grab example 6. Back here. Okay. So for example 6, let me grab this picture. Make it bigger. Okay. So we're looking at, I think you talked about part F, find all the x values so that g of x equals -2. So we're going to go to -2 on the output, and there's only one spot where the output is -2, and that is -3, not +2. On the first one, or on part E, it says find all the values of f of x. So the f of x is one that has two answers, -1 and +3. It's not that one, but it is these two. So hopefully that helps. You did it right. I'm not sure what the Khan Academy videos are saying, but if you send me a link to them, I can watch them and see if I can help you. Alright, I think that's about all I can explain. I don't want you to overthink this. All it is reading each coordinate point on the graph, the x value and the y value that corresponds to a particular point on the graph.